Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you a look at this gorgeous bookcase. Now, my husband and I just got this put together not too long ago. It took us about an hour with us both working on it, so really it went by pretty quick and it was quite easy to assemble. And not only that, the materials felt very durable in the building process. The main material is a durable particle board. And the beautiful detail rods here on both sides of the top part of the bookcase are a really robust iron. They feel very durable and they bring so much character to this bookcase. Now the inside backing and the shelves are all a black wood-like grain. It gives so much great contrast to this, and it also has a light that is rechargeable up on the top. It has 4 individual LEDs and there are 3 color light modes. So you have warm light, you have natural light, or you have cool. And there's also some different light options because there is a motion sensor on here. So if you press the power button a second time, it will set it on a longer motion sensor option, where if you walk in the path of the sensor, it will keep it on a little bit longer. If you press the power button again, it will put it on a slightly shorter time frame. So again, you can walk in front of it and it will turn on, but it won't stay on quite as long. So really awesome feature as far as the lights go, and I love that it is rechargeable. It doesn't have to be plugged up and it doesn't have to take batteries. This gives so much wonderful storage, whether it is for books or files and work-related items, for an office space, or if it's purely for storage or decor purposes. This bookcase is amazing. I absolutely love it. The top has 2 smaller shelves and everything is adjustable or removable. So if you need a lot of space, you can take a shelf out or take both out, but you can very easily move them around as well. In the middle here, it gets a little bit deeper, so you have even more storage space. This is fixed, but the shelf below that is movable. So I have things like storage bins here where I'm able to tuck things away and keep them nice and tidy and organized. I have items that I'm keeping in boxes, books and notebooks, journals, and then tons of decor pieces. And I love using the top area for other decor or storage purposes because there is a very deep ledge here, so it feels nice and secure, so you can easily tuck things up there as well. I absolutely love this here in my office space, so I can decorate a little bit, but I love having the functionality of keeping books or tools that I need close by. So everything about this is truly wonderful. It was easy to put together. It has amazing storage capacity. It feels nice and durable, and it looks great, and I believe it would fit many home styles. So if you guys were looking for an amazing bookcase or even a display shelf, this is a great choice. I hope you guys love it as much as we do.